Alright, so after 24 minutes, Gemini said it's done implementing the API, but unfortunately, Gemini deleted all the database, all the tables, everything is gone. All our tables that we've implemented since day one is gone, and this is the fate of Vibe Code. My name is Isaac, a dad and a husband. I'm a software developer with a day job as a country director and a CTO. At my free time, I'm building a startup from scratch, the idea and AI tools marketplace. My goal is to document everything from combining family life, corporate work, and coding side projects with the wins and the frustration as authentic as possible. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you enjoy and relate to it. Alright, so let's do a quick tour. So far that's what we have been able to build. So we have the dashboard for managing the marketplace. So here you're able to add the products. We have a product page for adding new tools, and then we have the product page itself. So a page for managing products. So here you add all your subscription coming from the payment processor, so you link the tool so that you'll be able to assign it to your tools that you add here. Then we have the user management page. So you have all the user management page going on here. You can view the latest user, and then we have the subscription page. So anytime a user subscribes, this webhook will send this page will send a webhook which will create a subscription for the user. Then we have the purchases page. So anytime a user purchases a tool from the marketplace, the tool is recorded, the transaction is recorded here, as well as the page, it's the payment processor itself. Then if you go to the license, so we manage the licenses. So anytime a user requests to download a tool from the marketplace, a license is assigned to that download for tracking piracy. Then we have the general settings page, as well as we have settings going on here. Then we have the API testing page. But when you go to the marketplace itself, you have the tools page. So anytime you install a new tool to be listed here, you can open the tool, launch the tool here, and then use the tool right from here. Then we have the marketplace itself. So all the tools from the backend here will be listed here so that you can download it onto your system. Then we have the settings page. You can set up your account here. You can also choose a subscription or subscribe here. And then we have the tool download history. So all the tools that you've downloaded in the system or activated in system will be recorded here. So far that's what we've been able to build with all the authentication behind.
So it's a new day and I'm already prepared. I'm doing a couple of errands this morning. I'll be picking up a car from the mechanic shop, and then later in the day I have a couple of meetings remotely at my office space, and then I'll do some programming in between as usual and do some video editing. So let's see how the day goes. Hoping that there will not be too much traffic in town today.
Yes, go and sit down. Sit down. So after seeing the family off, I also ordered my Uber and started heading towards town. Good morning. Oh. Right from my junction. Wow. It's going to be a busy day. Oh, that's the Tesla. So that's my dream car. Tesla, wow. That's a solid one. As I go to the mechanic shop, the car was ready to be picked up, so I just picked it up and then went to a computer shop to look for a solid state hard disk because my footages are taking over all my laptop space. I have the 2 terabytes. Wow, what is that? Jeez. Trying to see if we can get some Christmas items. I just want to do window shopping for us to know what's available for our decoration, which we'll be doing so. lot of options here, so I think we are good. Alright, so I'm not choosing now. I just came here to see some options because you don't choose without a wife. Marriage lesson 101: always choose with a wife. If not, you are going to be in trouble. So always choose with a wife. On my way home, there was too much traffic in town, so I wasted much of the day in traffic. So I just passed by the kids' school to pick them up and head towards home. Welcome to another week. Today I woke up very late. I was not even motivated to come out of bed, because I was so tired from the previous week and the weekend as well. So this week we are trying to see if we can continue our project. I have some activities to do at my workplace, and today being the Monday, I have only one meeting, which is a directors meeting, and after that I'll be with my family and we can code along. So technically today I can do a lot of coding, complete the credit system for generating tests and also images for the our AI marketplace platform. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so it's Tuesday, 9th December and 11:44, and I know it's late, but I got to do some 1 hour coding before I go to bed. The timer is here, so I'll be doing this part of our to-do list. So we have to build the API server for generating tests and images for the premium users. So if you go to the app, so this is the app we've been building. So if you go to the AI Faceless 2 app, and let's say you are a premium subscriber, so if you go to premium, so if you check here, if you're a premium subscriber, you're having this AI 200, 100 and 1100 API credits to generate images and tests and also audio, but we've not implemented this yet. So if you go to a tool like this, you can see that the person is supposed to bring their API key, but when you are a premium user, you are supposed to have our API or our form of generating tests provided for you to choose here. So that's what this current to-do list is about. So we will develop it out and then make sure that it's configured at the back end, which is the admin panel. So we have to configure it here, make it easy for the person running the website to configure it here, to set the default tests and then the AI for generating the audio. So that's what we'll be working on. Alright, so yesterday we decided to work on the last item on the to-do list. So that's what we have on the to-do list, to create an API server for generating tests and images. So if you go to the desktop application and under the subscription, you could see that, so under the subscription you could see that users have been assigned some credit to generate content. So if you check here, there are some AI credit system that we have to implement. So that's what this main task is going to be about. So yesterday, instead of coding or right ahead, I used a couple of time to plan out what the API is going to, or the AI should look on to program this feature. So you can see here I gave that to Gemini, and then Gemini was able to work on the implementation plan. So this content generation implementation plan, Gemini was able to come out with what we have to do, the credit system. After a little bit of battle, we were able to agree on this. So this the implementation. So let's go ahead and start implementing this. It's around 12:56 a.m. and I have a lot of energy because I don't feel sleepy, and we can use that opportunity to finish this feature. So let's build it. Alright, so after 24 minutes, Gemini said is done implementing the API, but unfortunately Gemini deleted all the database, all the tables, everything is gone. All our tables that we've implemented since day one is gone. And this is the fate of vibe coding. You can get everything deleted when you hand over everything to this stupid agent. They think they can do everything, and then he ended up doing a whole lot of test, and then deleted the whole database. Shoot, everything is gone. So the users, everything gone. The whole app is going to break down. The marketplace will not get the tools because all the tools are gone. We have about 20 days to launch this app, and look at what Gemini is saying. In the thinking, the thoughts of Gemini was saying, I was shocked to find out that the migration class is absent from the extension. And that's how could you be shocked? It seems like it was either accidentally deleted or I simply overlooked it. We are cooked. Gemini is not ready for production, or not even production, it's not ready for coding big projects. Their agent is not ready. Don't even try. If you are working on UI something, then you can use Gemini for backend. After back and forth, Gemini was able to restore the database. So now if you go to the database, we have our tables back, but the data is gone. So we have to do everything again and make sure that we are back on track. Alright, let's see if we can come back on track. Now it looks like Gemini, after deleting all my database, Gemini is teasing me. When you read the thoughts of this AI stuff, it's sometimes funny. See what it's saying over here. Say, I can see the tables are back, but the data is indeed missing as anticipated. After deleting it, it's like, now you are teasing me. Alright, quick update. So we've been able to get access as admin again. So now the login, and we being the first user that may have been installed, so we have some progress here. Our database is also back. We have the user, and then all we have to do is to go through the same process and add the new tools and everything. So I think we are making progress after Gemini screwing up everything. So good news, we are almost back on track. Okay, so we've been able to restore some of the data. So now the product page, I've added the subscription and the tool, and then I've been able to go through the process. Everything works. I've subscribed as a unlimited subscriber, and then if you go to the desktop app, you can see at the marketplace the tool is back. So I have added only one tool. So if you go to the backend, you can see that I have only one tool added, and as a subscriber I've been able to download it, and then the tool you can launch the tool successfully here. So I think we are back on track. We had a lot of data in there, but it has been deleted, but for now everything is working. We've done 1 hour already, so I'll pause here, and tomorrow I'll continue. So tomorrow we'll do the review. So we were trying to add this feature, so the content generation feature, to our API and then the backend, and then Gemini mistakenly deleted our database, so we wasted all of that time trying to bring the database back, and we couldn't test this implementation. So tomorrow we'll continue that. So see you then.